Alright, man, so we back. Not the way I wanted to be, but you know what I'm saying, you follow me on Instagram at whipswitwavy. You already got an idea of what's going on, man. So birthday weekend. And notoriously, man, something bad always gotta happen, you feel me? But yep. How we looking? Shit. Brand new wheels painted, fucked up. Quarter panel all bent back, fucked up. Hood, fucked up. You see the collision bar, fucked up. Hoping the frame ain't bent, but nothing on this side. Everything just over right here. So a motherfucker ran me off the road down there into this motherfucking pole down here, bro. Like this little highway right here. Motherfucker coming through here, goddamn like 60 type shit. Made me swerve, cause I'm coming from this way. Made me swerve and hit this pole, man. And then he took off. I don't know where he went. Try and backtrack, see if I can get some footage or something, bro. Like, I ain't gonna hold you, and the nigga is lost. Really, I know what I'm gonna do with this one, man. But we're waiting on the tow truck to pull up. We're gonna get this mug up out of here, you know what I'm saying? Did it once, man, could do it again. So I don't know how, I don't know when, I don't even know how much, man, but it made something shake. Damn. Charlie on the back and he driving like he Dale Earnhardt, boy. We can't barely keep up with this motherfucker, bro. Like, I'm mad as hell. Got Celine on the back looking all types of suspect. Then when he pulling that motherfucker on there, he gonna twist the whole wheel sideways, like just adding injury to insult. You feel me? Like, damn. Like, y'all, we down there going 70 and we can't even keep up with buddy. Like, what is he on? Every bump he hit, my car back there doing the jump around and shit. Like, nah, bro, like, y'all don't understand. We going a smooth 80 and we is not keeping up with, bro. Like, he's sliding with my whole whip on the back. How? What is wrong with people, man? I can't even zoom in and catch this nigga. So yeah, man. Y'all probably can't see me or see the whip, but we up here at Dodge, man. So they gonna have to report back in the morning. You feel me? See what they got for us. But all right, man. So it's daytime, man. If you already been watching enough of the video, man, you already know what the hell going on, man. We up here at Dodge Collision Center. I'm gonna take this off. Celine going through it, man. Ooh, look at that. Twin. Alright. But this was got me hurt, boy. I ain't gonna hold y'all, bro. I knew something was gonna happen because notoriously everything bad happened to me on my birthday weekend, man. But look at this fucker. God damn, fool. Niggas just hurt off this one. I ain't even gonna cap. We gonna do what we can do, man. Like I said, it's up at Dodge. Today's Saturday. Collision Center don't open back up till Monday, so we're just gonna have to wait and see, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'll keep y'all updated as much as possible, but till the next time.